Assalamu alaikum dear friends, in today's video I'll show you how you can make this cool looking star in Adobe Illustrator in just few steps. So let's get started without wasting many time. So I'm clicking on the home tab and then I'll click on the comment tab. I'll choose a new template here. So now I'll first go to this rectangle tool. I click over here and I'll choose the star tool option. Now I'll make a star just like this. You can see I'll drag it a little bit down here so that it is okay to my screen. Now I'll change the color of the star so that it looks really nice. I am selecting this color over here. Now I'll use this mesh tool. You can check it out. You can use the U option also. You can use the U button also using this mesh tool. I am clicking on this mesh tool and now I click inside this star at different portions. You can check the mesh here. Just you can click randomly inside the star, this mesh will be formed. Now we'll choose different colors, we'll give different colors to this star using this mesh tool. I am clicking some random mesh inside this. Now I am leaving this option and now I'll select some portions of the stars just like this and I'll choose this fill color and I'll give different colors to it. Just look, you can see over here this color is applying to it. I'll choose some random portions of the star and give it different colors. You can check it out. I am giving different colors to this star. You can see fill in this. I'll choose some green color over here. I'll choose this portion of the star and I'll give some yellow color to give it some contrast. I'll give it different colors so that it is displaying on the screen. I am selecting another color over here just like this and here I'll choose some other color. Now you can see, let's select this portion also and give it a little bit different color. Now click outside the star and this is how a cool looking star you can make in Adobe Illustrator in just few steps. Thank you.